Okay, the first thing is to install the program. It's called NxtStudio. Let's open a browser, navigate to nextcontrol.com, and you can download the software from here. In order to download the software, you will first need to register, and then you can download the software. Alternatively, you will be sent a link from where you can also download this software where registration is not needed. In this case, I'm going to log in using my credentials and download the software. Okay, once you log in, you will see a download area, and the software that you need is called Next One, and we're going to be using version 3. Let's download. It should take a couple of seconds or minutes based on the speed of your internet connection. I will come back to it once it's downloaded, and I will pause the video for now. Okay, the download is complete. And let's go to downloads, and you will see that the download is here. So we're going to extract all of the files to here. And once the extraction is done, we go navigate and click on setup. And you immediately get an error saying it needs some dependencies to be installed. One of them is .NET Runtime Library. There are a couple of ways to install .NET Library, and we will see one such option is to go to Windows and type Windows features, and then you'll see this turn Windows features on and off. And the first option that you see here is .NET Framework 3.5. There's no need to check these two boxes. Say OK. And then it tries to search for files, and then the best option to choose is to let Windows Update download the files for you. Okay, let's try again. And this time it seemed to proceed with the installation. We check, make sure you read the terms and conditions. Because I've already read this before, I'm going to scroll through down and I say agree. Leave the default options that are set under the custom selection, and it's preferred that you leave the destination folder as well unchanged, but if you know and you are very sure of what you're doing, then you can go ahead and change the destination folder for the installation. Okay, it says installation complete. Select next. If you want to view the release notes, you can leave the check mark as is. Otherwise, you can just uncheck it and click close.